Welcome back, everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly edit your 4K recordings from your PlayStation 5 and as well as the Xbox Series X. So I have noticed that there aren't that many people making these type of videos, and that is also mostly because so few people have these consoles, and usually what they do is they upload it directly from their consoles to YouTube or whatever else they're using. And when you do that, the color correction is done automatically. But when you're editing it from on your computer, you will notice that the colors are completely muted and washed out. It almost looks like gray, like a gray filter is over it. So I'm going to show you in this first video how to edit color correction using the game Mass Effect 2 Legendary Edition, recorded directly on the Xbox Series X in 4K. So if you notice, everything, the colors are very muted. So I'm using Filmora, the latest version. And one of the first things that I do is I hit Auto Enhance. So these are the default settings of the program. Everything's set at 0 value. So I already created my LUTs, and this is when I paste the LUT onto it. So you increase the saturation as high as you want it to make it look good. Auto Enhance is also very important. You can set it at either halfway, which is the default, or put at 100%. It will also make your image a lot sharper and bring out a lot of the details. So now I'm showing you how the video looks before the color correction and after. So after, before. After.
Hurry, get to the door, run. You're doing a great ship.
Before. So I'm a person, I like a lot of contrast. So my videos tend to look a little bit darker than most people's videos, but I do like dark blacks. To me, it's a lot more appealing, and I like high saturation. So this was my little tutorial on how to use Filmora, the latest version X, and how to color correct your videos to give them that nicer look, and sometimes even nicer than the actual game itself. So I'm going to do another video to show you how I edit the color correction using a different program, and it's a free program. It's seldom talked about, but it is very powerful, and it's called VSDC. So check it out. You can download it for free. You will have access to most of the features just like Filmora. And then for premium, you can unlock everything, which will also give you hardware acceleration and things like this. Also no watermarks. So stay tuned for that video. And that software is what I've been using to color correct my Mortal Kombat videos. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay sane, and stay strong. GiggaVega out.